we're at home. Everybody's
Yes.
at home, and what are some home remedies that we could do to keep our nails and feet intact? Ah.
Yes, we have to. Yes, them feet for sure. I know we've been having some snags on the pillow, on towels, on sheets, on
Man,
everything.
I'm
Okay,
so
it's
I was like,
time.
I'm still gonna wear socks.
Yes, yes. So what I actually have been doing is I recently created hand and foot care kits for DFW or wherever you are, so that way people have options and access. What I've been hearing is that a lot of people, they've been ordering stuff, but it's like backdated. You can't get it because people are not doing a lot of shipping, or it's
Right.
hard to get because a lot of places are shut down.
We're gonna do a share screen too while you're talking about your nail kits.
Okay, perfect. So so I created these nail kits. It's basically as simple can be, as it to deal with what's in them. I put
I have one here, 2 files.
Yes, I put 2 files, I put two
2 buffers,
buffers.
2
Yes, I
cuticle
put
pushers, and cuticle oil pen. I don't even know what that is.
yes.
What is that?
Yes, so a cuticle oil pen is cuticle oil basically, but
Uh-huh.
it's inside of a little tube, and if you go to another one, you'll be able to see it. Go to the one down right there.
Oh,
Down.
right here?
Yes, go right there.
Oh, okay.
So that's the first one right there. That's the cuticle oil pen, and it's basically so it can be easy that you're able to wipe around your cuticle area and kind of give the cuticle area a moisture treatment, and then you can use this for your feet as well. So
Okay.
what I'm telling people is, let's just say you got a rough area on your nails. Take your file, make sure you shape it, and then use your cuticle oil. Put the cuticle oil on first, and then you just buff your nails, and it'll kind of give it like a refresh look, so it's not snaggly and stuff like that.
Okay, and you guys, here's the foot kits, you guys.
Yes.
2 files. Oh, go ahead. You want to
Yes.
say it?
Okay, so it has the same thing as far as the 2 files, 2 buffers, as well as the cuticle pushers, but the difference is it's going to come with a metal foot file. Now, about this, I like to hang my hat here and tell people, please don't be at your house using cheese graters or cheese grater looking foot files. This is not going to help you make things better, okay? Using cheese grater foot files only shreds your skin. It is not going to allow it to be softened. Over time, what it does, since our body is made to heal itself, it says, oh, she's cut, let me grow back thicker to protect her. So what I have done is I'm like, look, let me get y'all these files. They have done amazing work here with my clients in the studio, especially with me working with clients who have autoimmune diseases. It softened up their heels. It gets better and better every time you use it. You don't have to overuse it, but it does the trick, and you don't have to use like a whole bunch of different products and all of that stuff. It'll do the trick. You can actually use it dry. It's better using it dry.
Oh, wow. You're educating me, because I had no idea